Welcome to Module 1, Lecture 5. In this lesson, we'll walk through the full recruitment lifecycle, step by step. The recruitment lifecycle, your roadmap to hiring success. Recruiting may seem like a series of tasks. Post a job, screen a few resumes, conduct some interviews, but great hiring is never random. Behind every successful hire is a structured, strategic process known as the recruitment lifecycle. Think of it as your map to hiring success. From identifying the need to bring someone new on board to welcoming that person into the team, the recruitment lifecycle is made up of distinct stages, each one building on the last, each one critical to making the right hire. Let's walk through these stages using a real-world example. Hiring a software engineer for a growing tech company. 1. Workforce planning. Every great hire starts before the job is posted. In this stage, companies assess current and future talent needs based on business goals. For example, a tech company expanding its development team might identify the need for a front-end engineer to support a new product launch. Workforce planning ensures hiring is proactive, not reactive. 2. Job analysis and requisition. Once a hiring need is identified, recruiters work with hiring managers to analyze the role. What skills, experience, and traits are needed? What does success look like? This leads to the creation of a job requisition, which formally kicks off the hiring process. For our software engineer, this might include defining required programming languages, team responsibilities, and performance goals. 3. Sourcing talent. Now it's time to find candidates. Recruiters use a mix of job postings, social media, Boolean search, and networking to attract and engage talent. For technical roles, platforms like GitHub or Stack Overflow may be key. Sourcing is both art and science, identifying where great candidates are and how to connect with them. 4. Screening candidates. With applicants flowing in, recruiters begin screening resumes and conducting initial interviews to evaluate fit. For our software engineer, this might involve reviewing portfolios or code samples and conducting a technical phone screen. The goal here is to identify candidates who meet baseline qualifications and are worth moving forward. 5. Interviewing. Top candidates are invited for structured interviews, with a focus on both skills and cultural fit. The recruiter guides this process, ensuring a positive candidate experience and consistency in evaluation. For technical roles, interviews may include coding challenges or problem-solving exercises. 6. Selection and decision. After interviews, it's time to make a decision. Recruiters help evaluate feedback, compare candidates, and ensure decisions are based on objective criteria, not gut instinct. For the software engineer role, this means assessing both technical ability and how well the candidate aligns with the team's dynamics and goals. 7. Offer management. Once a top candidate is selected, the recruiter leads offer negotiations, balancing candidate expectations with company policies. This includes compensation, start dates, and handling counteroffers. A well-managed offer process ensures the candidate is excited to join and doesn't drop out late in the game. 8. Onboarding handoff. The final step is onboarding, where recruiters collaborate with HR and hiring managers to ensure a smooth transition. This includes introducing the new hire, preparing them for success, and laying the foundation for engagement and retention. While recruiters may not own onboarding, their handoff is crucial to starting the relationship on the right foot. Connecting the dots, how this course aligns. Throughout this course, each module focuses on a specific stage of the recruitment lifecycle. For example, understanding the hiring need and workforce planning, sourcing strategies and crafting compelling job postings, candidate experience, including the offer process, compliance and diversity, critical across all stages. By the end of this course, you'll not only understand each stage in depth, but also see how they connect into a seamless, strategic process that helps you make great hires consistently. Remember, hiring is the most important thing you do. The recruitment lifecycle ensures you do it right, every time. Let's explore each stage together, starting with understanding what triggers a hiring need and how you can respond effectively.